Hey everybody, it's Davida with WTI, and we're here outside at my house right now because I wanted to show you a really handy tool that, as you can tell, is pretty used because we've had it for a while and used it for a while. This is our Best Choice Products 12.5 foot ladder. This is made out of aluminum, so it's extremely sturdy. I really like this ladder because you can fold it in different ways to get done what you needed to get done. So one way that you can use it is you can lay it out completely flat and have it really long so you can reach high places. You can have it folded in half just like you see here, or it can even fold in fourths, almost kind of like a table. But it's been a really great ladder to get done all the projects that we need to get done, and that is my point of view.